Hello, the journey of communication continues, and now we are opening a very important aspect of communication without which communication is actually not complete, and that is listening. Let me share one statistical information with you, and that is listening is the most important part of different forms of communication, whether it is reading, writing, speaking, or listening. Listening consumes the maximum time. Okay, I'm repeating, 45% of all communication is in the form of listening. Now, the more important part of this statistics is that how much time is actually spent in the overall education system or overall development of an individual to teach and train how to listen. And it is said hardly a few hours are spent on how to be a good listener. Just ask yourself, have you heard from your parents how to be a good listener? Or if you are a parent, how many times have you said or have you told your children how to become better listeners? Perhaps not. If you have done it, great, but perhaps not. And it is very important aspect of all the forms of relationships. Are you, or what kind of a listener are you? Are you able to listen to people well? And in one of my next videos, I'll share with you a story on listening, and it may open up your mind a lot, right? So let's continue here. Why it is important to be a good listener. Let's see what are some of the benefits of being a listener. Let's look at the first one. The first one is listening is the highest form of acknowledgement. It's the highest form of acknowledgement. You are showing to that person that I'm respecting you. I'm giving my time to you. I am with you. I empathize with you. If you look at the word empathy, empathy can happen only when you listen to people. So listening is the highest form of acknowledgement. And any person, any leader who can demonstrate higher levels of listening capabilities, I'm sure they are able to get the best out of their people, right? Second one is listening is a signal to the other person that the other person is being heard. It's a complaint that comes in many organizations that people end up saying, there is hardly any scope of being heard here. We are not being heard here. And listening totally removes that. Listening gives a signal that we have been heard, and whatever decisions are being taken, they are being taken after taking into account what we had to say. Right? Then the third important is listening also gives a signal that you are accepting the other person. Acceptance and openness is demonstrated by listening. That's another benefit. Next one is very important again. Listening leads to learning. I'm repeating this because this is one of my favorites. Listening leads to learning. And how? So, as they typically say, when you are speaking, you are just repeating your own ideas. But when you are listening to maybe 5-10 other people who are in the meeting, what is it that they are doing? They are contributing their ideas, and when they are entering your head, it enhances your learning, isn't it? So listening leads to learning. Another important aspect is listening reduces stress and tension. And why? It reduces stress and tension because the message has been understood at both levels. Otherwise, miscommunication happens, and that is what enhances the stress. How many times our instructions have to be repeated? How many times you tell people to repeat what they have said? It happens only because you have not heard it the first time. The other person may not have heard it the first time. And that is what creates a little gap in communication. And it wastes energy, right? Isn't it? Wastes time and energy. Then listening is considered to be very, very, very critical in conflict resolution. And in conflict resolution, if you can start practicing that you listen to the other party first, I'm emphasizing this. If you listen to the other party first, cards will get opened from the other side and you will have more information to negotiate on or to resolve the conflicts, isn't it? So listening helps in resolving conflicts also. These are some of the benefits that come with listening. And the last one that I'm saying, listen to this carefully. Listening is equated to healing. Listening gives a signal of healing to the other person. Just because you have listened to someone, it may create some healing in the other person. And the last one is even more powerful. Listening is equal to loving. You're demonstrating your love to the other person when you're listening to that person. So become better listeners and develop strong relations and create a beautiful world around you. I'll continue this conversation on listening as to how to become effective listeners in my next video.